Hello everyone, I am Tejal Shivaji Sanap.
And I am Saiprasa Sanjay Kure.
We are from Bharat College of Engineering.
From Direct Second Year Computer Department.
We are here to present our Python mini project.
Which was completed under the guidance of Sneha Darvi ma'am.
Where our project topic name is Rock, Paper and Scissor.
Now let's continue with the explanation of our project code.
So the aim of the Rock Paper Scissor Python project is to build a game for a single player that plays with a computer anywhere and anytime. This project is built using tkinter random modules and the basic concept of Python.
Rock, Paper, Scissor is a hand game that is played by two people. The players count to 3 in unison and simultaneously throw one of the 3 hand signals that is correspond to rock, paper or scissor. The winner is determined by the rules: rock smashes scissor, scissor cuts paper, paper covers rock.
Hardware requirements. So basically hardware requirements includes CPU Intel i3 and RAM 3 GB or higher, and storage space would be minimum 500 MB, and software requirements are Python and Visual Code using Python environment.
This is the flowchart of our project, which describes the flow of our project. The system start and wait for the user input. The system checks the validity of the user input, and after the valid input, the system gives random selection. The system checks the winner and display the winner. This is the use case of our project. In use case, there are 3 actors: player 1, computer and RPS system. The player 1 starts the new game and plays his round, and after the computer plays his round, the system checks who is the winner and adds score to the winner.
Talking about the code here, we have imported in all 3 basic modules of Python such as tkinter, pillow, random. So tkinter for creating better GUI and GUI modules, and pillow is also pronounced as PIL for opening images from Windows, and random for choosing a random number and random option, that is random option. Here we have initialized TK as tkinter and simply set the title as rock paper scissor, and we have set the background color as orange.
In this part of the code, we have given the route for opening the image for the program and which the image should be open and at what part of the code. Here we have set the label user, computer and their font size, color, and using the grid function we have placed the label at our desired coordinates of the display screen.
This is the code we have implemented for displaying the score, and this is the main part of our project.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
These are the application of our project, an app that can fulfill your gaming requirements. Fun is portable with the type of app with less space on your hard disk, install and play instantly, multiplayer, and it is a good stress buster.
So basically these are the points to implement in the future. So we add multiplayer option. We can also add various types of animation in this game. Also group chat for better communication experience.
So this was a fun and easy way to create a game like Rock, Paper and Scissor.
Not just rock, paper and scissor, but many more games can be developed using Python easily.
Gaming becomes modern when played on mobile phones and tabs.
Enjoy with your friends anytime, anywhere.
Thank you.
Thank you.